Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. This is one of our last, pretty much our last video of the year here. I just want to talk you through a little bit about what the next week or so is going to look like and what the expectations are as we approach your final exam here. So you're going to notice today, if you look in Schoology, that we are done the projects. We have all the projects done, and now is just review time for your final exam, okay? Your final exam is going to be next Thursday. That is May 20th, okay? Thursday, May 20th is going to be when your final exam is, okay? Your final exam, I have another video in this same folder that you can look that's going to go over the expectations for final exam. So please go and watch that video next if you haven't already watched it so that you know exactly what you need to accomplish and what needs to be done when we get to that final exam. In terms of what you're going to be doing to prepare for that final exam, in this folder, there are a couple different things that I have for you that you can use to kind of help study. None of this is going to be graded or turned in. It is all just for you guys to study and use what you want to do, okay? The last grade of this marking period was that final project. That'll be your last grade for the marking period. The things that are available for you is, one, I have a practice test that's in there along with an answer key so you can check your answers, okay? The answer key does not have a breakdown of how to do the problems. It just has the answers with it. So if you're going through and you have questions about how to do something, please make sure that you get in contact with me and I can kind of walk you through some of that stuff. Additionally, over the next couple days, you're going to start seeing more and more of these presentations as I grade them go into this folder as well. Those are a great way to go in and check and see some of the stuff that we've gone over, okay? You and your classmates have all made these great presentations. They're going to have overviews on how to do everything. They're going to have practice problems. They'll have worksheets and assignments and Kahoots that you can do. This is all really, really great stuff that you can go in and you can look at and you can use to help you get ready for this final exam next Thursday. So that's going to kind of be the next week, basically what I'm expecting you to do. So today through Wednesday, and then Thursday is when you're going to take the exam. You should be working on practice test problems. You should be looking at your presentations. You should be working on some of those worksheets and just doing whatever you need to prepare and study, okay? Please make sure that you actually go through and you look at a lot of this stuff and you use it to study. It's going to help you here in the long run in terms of getting you used to what it takes to prepare to take a final exam and what it takes to prepare to get ready for some of these larger tests. When you guys get to college, a lot of classes at college, especially math classes, your only grades are your tests. So you have to kind of get used to, well, what do I do to study and break down stuff for a math test and make sure that I remember all the content that was covered throughout the year, okay? So that's going to be the next couple days. Obviously, I will be here. If you have questions, send me emails, and we can make sure that we get that covered, all right? So please make sure you watch the other video that'll go over some of the expectations for that final exam, and you guys all have a nice last week here and a nice summer if I don't hear from you.